Next, state true or false. Cube root of 117.649 is a rational number. So first find the cube root. Okay, 117.649. Bring it to prime numbers. So 7 into 16.807. 7 into 7 into 2.401. 7 into 7 into 7 into 0.343. Now once you get this 343, it should be easy for you to know that the cube root is 7. So point means 0.7. So 7 into 7 into 7 these, and 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.7. Okay. Now the cube root is what? Out of 3 only 1. Out of 3 only 1. So 7 into 0.7. So that is equals to 4.9. Okay. So 4.9 means, is 4.9 a rational number? Yes. What is a rational number and irrational number? Rational means after point, if some number gets repeated. Here 4.9 means what? 4.9000000 up to infinity. This pattern goes repeating of zeros. Then it's a rational number. Right? You have studied it in I think so 7th. Yeah. So that's why it's true. Now B. Cube of an odd number may or may not be odd. Means what? Odd number means, let's say 3. Cube of 3 is 27. Cube of 5 is 125. Cube of 7 is 343. All are odd. So this is false, because cube of odd number will always be an odd number. Okay. So that's why statement B is false. Download Yoga Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with